Hello everyone, as you can see here, this is Samsung A20E Type C charging port. Somehow the charging port is not working, so we're going to replace it. I used to think like micro USB charging port is the only weakest one, but now I can see even Type C charging port also breaking a lot. It doesn't show any sign of broken or anything else, but when I connect it, I can feel it. The charging port is not alright. So we're going to change it. That's the reason why you got this replacement. There are two ways of changing charging port. I'm going to show you the easiest way and the hardest way. Okay. So that's the one type. Let me show you another one. That's the only one port itself. Okay. And if you want to replace that, you must need to have this soldering one, this machine, which is that one. If you don't have, and if you don't have that much experience, then you can avoid it. You don't have to replace it. What you can do, you can buy the whole block, only a couple of pounds difference, and you can do easily. So today we're going to replace that one, the easiest version one. So let's show you. First we need a couple of tools. The most important is the Phillips screwdriver, flat tools, and tweezer is handy to have. So first is first, turn off your phone, take out your SIM tray, which is already taken out, because if you don't do, you're going to break it. Now we need to get access to the handset from the back. I can use my fingertip, nails, but for you can use any flat tools like that. Okay. Good. That's one. Come on. Good. Fine. This is nearly open. You need to be very careful because there are a little bit of adhesive. So the back cover is open. So now the battery is completely zero, so we are not focusing in here to disconnect it. But always it's ideal to disconnect the battery before we do anything. Okay, so I'm not going to do that. I'm going to open it first. One. Two. Four. Okay, so all of them already out. Now we must need to disconnect this first. Disconnect the antenna cable, both of them, and this one secured with one screw, which is right here. Now try to pull this out, which is simple to do. There is no more adhesive. Okay, and now we're going to replace it with that one. See how simple it is? There is no headache, nothing. Okay, so connect individual all connectors. Good. Don't forget to connect this antenna cable, otherwise you're not going to get any signal. Okay, that's fine. We're going to double check which hole goes. Okay, so it goes in here. Now we can give it a try before you close it. Let's check it out. Yeah, as you can see, this is charging, which is positive sign. Now we're gonna close it back and try it. So now we're going to close it because the job is almost done. Okay, you must need to focus into this connector and these two, otherwise you're not going to get any signal. Close it back. Yes, fine. Alright, so it seems everything is plugged into the place. Now it's very simple. You must need to put the back cover on. You can start from the top or bottom, doesn't matter. Okay. Now let's double check. It's charging. Alright, so I'm gonna pause the video to get up to 5% just to make sure the charging speed, everything is normal. As you can see, 2% within 3 minutes, which is quite impressive. So it seems the charging is already resolved. As you can see, that is the actual boot. The price difference around £3 to £4 only. So it's much better in that way. You don't need any soldering gun or any messy job. You can just completely change it. And if you do have any other issues, include the headphone jack and the microphone also, it will be resolved by itself. So thank you so much for watching. If you do have any question regarding A20E, then please feel free to leave it in the comment section. And I hope I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.